Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens in-store video for the week of January the 12th to the 18th. OMG, when you can get Tide for $1.19, you get your code on and you run to the store and make these deals happen. And we also have 2 freebies in this video. If you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. It really helps me and the channel out if you can just like the video. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so in my Friday video, I was talking about the Camille Rose hair care and how it was 90% off. And I thought, I'm probably not going to find any. This morning, I found 5 of these items. Now, it's 90% off, so it's at a rock bottom price. But what makes this absolutely magical is that IBOTTA has very high value cashbacks on all of these items. I think I spent like $7 out of pocket on what I picked up, and I got $15 back. I love this app. If you have not signed up for IBOTTA, check out the link in the description. Sign up today. I think you're given like a $5 credit on your first qualifying receipt. It's money on top of money, and when you can find clearance items like this, you're getting paid to shop. So definitely walk down that shampoo aisle and look for this stuff, even if you have to ask for a price check, because it's worth it with IBOTTA. Second freebie that we have is with the Colgate, and I'm so grateful that they're giving this to us at the beginning of the year. Both of these items have $2.50 digital coupons, and they're on this promotion that if you buy 2, you get back a $3 register reward. How lovely is that? So what you're going to do, guys, is load these 2 digital coupons, a $2.50 off of the brush and a $2.50 off of the paste. Make sure you have both of them loaded. Basic math here, 2 of these items for $8, subtracting your $5 in digitals, you're going to pay $3, get back a $3 register reward, making it free. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that register reward. For all of the new shoppers out there, what is a booster? This is a booster. This is a digital booster. This is a 10 back when you spend 50, and you might get a counterpart at the store printable of this, and you can stack both of them together. And when I'm like, if you're using a booster, don't use Walgreens cash. If you're not using a booster, use Walgreens cash. This is what I'm specifically talking about. And this one is a digital booster. I think most of us got like a 10 back when you spend 50. And we're going to look at a basket for this at the very end of the video. Okay, the next couple of slides are going to be all clearance with digital coupons or some sort of matchup with a rebate app. The first is the Maybelline. It's called Age Rewind. It's like the foundation and this little twist tube. $2.79 with the digital coupon. It makes it 79 cents. And yes, that digital coupon is in fact attaching. I would definitely grab one of these if you love the Maybelline line, because that's fantastic. They have various Bare products, which are a pain reducer. This was a 100 count for 90 cents, 90% off. Checkout 51 had $1.50 back, and IBOTTA also had $1.50 back for this product, so it made it a little money maker. You might want to walk down that pain relief aisle, because there's a lot of items that are giving back really high rebates, especially on checkout 51. And even if you're not using a digital coupon, make it happen, guys. We also have a lot of lashes at 90% off. Lots of shampoo as well. And some body washes have hit 50% in the Walgreens brand if you want to stock up on that, especially for newer couponers who are building their stockpile. Lots of the L'Oreal as well. We have a 10 off of, I think it's 2. If you can get $10 of items, you can use that coupon. And there was a CoverGirl foundation for $1.99, 90% off as well. If you have a very friendly store, I would recommend doing this deal. If your store is not friendly, I would recommend passing on this deal. I could not get this deal to work, but the Catalina machine that prints out the register reward was also offline today. We've had like 2 days of continuous snow. But these deodorants are $3.29, and there's a tag that says a $2 register reward when you buy 2. So I grabbed 2 of these melon ones, and we have the 6 off 2 digital coupon. Now, the register reward didn't print for me, and this digital coupon did not come off. So in theory, it's $6.58 for the 2. After the digital coupon, it should be 58 cents. I don't know if maybe it's the melon one. It didn't apply. And the $2 register reward didn't print for me because the machine was on a lunch break or something like that. It should be free after everything's said and done. If you want to try a different scent, by all means, go for it. if your store is really nice and they'll work with you, by all means. I have to call customer service for that 6 off of 2 and see if they'll credit it to me. 50% shot they will or they won't, but I just gave it the old college try because if this was going to work, it would be a huge money maker, and it kind of fell apart for me. So if you want to take a risk on $6, by all means go for it, but for me, it was a hot apple fail. And now we have a quick toilet paper deal. I encourage everybody to do this deal, even if you hate Scott. Stock up on it, guys, because this is a solid one. You're going to grab 1 toilet paper and 1 paper towel, and it's on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion, so you don't have to load a store coupon. There it is. So for 2 of these, it's going to be $7.50. Now, this morning, we were awarded a gift, which is $1 off of each. The paper towel and the toilet paper. Load both of these coupons. Okay, so 2 of these friends is $7.50, subtracting our $2 digital. You're paying $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per unit, which is fantastic. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but I would stock up, especially with the uncertainty of everything in the world right now. You want to be covered in case the cost of paper goods goes up in the next month or so. Another super deal that we have is with the P&G products. There's a Cascade in there. Why is that? Well, if you look at the flyer this week, $5.49 selected P&G products that include Bounce, Cascade, Downy, Febreze, Gain, Swiffer, or Tide. Cascade is included, and it's at that price point of $5.49. For your Tide Pods, we have a $2.05 and $1 off. For the Tide liquid, we also have $1 off, and there's the Tide Pod one at the top, plus there's a $2.05 off for that item. And then for Cascade, we have a $2.50 off for that 11 counter. So here's the math for this one, and I'm just delighted that Cascade was part of this. $21.96, subtracting $6.55 in digitals, you're going to pay $15.41. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.41 for the 4 items, or $2.60 per unit. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're just doing this deal on its own with no booster. The Arm & Hammer is 4 for $10, and we have a 2 off 4 digital coupon. So this is going to drop it down to $8 for the 4 units, or $2 per item. It's working with the liquid and the pods. So if you wanted to stock up at $2, it's also a very respectful price point for detergent. Now we're going to talk about the $50 basket. So you obviously need this friend loaded, which is a 10 back when you spend $50. We're also going to throw into the mix this, which is the Dove Ladies Body Wash at $7, $2 register reward when you purchase 2. And we have this 6 off 2. And yes, it is in fact attaching this week. It just wasn't working with my deodorant, the clearance one. Okay, so looking at the math, we're just going to recycle a couple of the other deals to get us to 50. So 4 of the P&G laundry care items, or care items, for $21.96. 2 of those Dove body washes for $14. 2 Colgates for $8. 2 Scott paper products for $7.50. Adding all of that magic up, it's $51.46. We have $19.55 in digitals melting off, $6.55 for P&G, $6 for Dove, $5 for Colgate, and $2 for the Scott. So after all of that, with your debit card, you're paying $31.91 as you're using that spend booster of spend $50 to get back $10. You're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash for the booster, $10 in register rewards, $5 for P&G, $2 for Dove, and $3 for Colgate, making it $11.91 for the 10 items. $1.19 per product, which is a very good price point. Let's not forget not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using the spend booster of spend $50 to get back $10. If you might have a paper booster to throw into that as well, by all means go for it because it'll make it even cheaper. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.